Hi, you guys. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. So, today I thought I'd do an analysis for you guys so that for the week ahead, you guys are prepared and aware of where the market might be going because we are never 100% sure with the market, okay? So today we are looking at Euro AUD. I do see an opportunity on Euro AUD. I saw a head and shoulder. I did take a trade on this and I got out quick because I saw a retest and I just didn't want to be a part of that. So I got out quickly on Euro AUD. And then now I made on my neckline, on my head and shoulder neckline, on this green trend line right here. It was broken into. So price broke into this neckline. That's when I placed my trade. And then it went down. I got out. It retraced really deeply, retraced again and again. So now we have how many touch points on this trend line? 1, 2, 3 touch points on this trend line. And as you can see, it's bouncing off of this trend line. Like it's literally bouncing off of this trend line. So it is a possible sell to the downside. I don't know until where, but definitely could be part of an opportunity to actually place a trade and go to the downside with the market here. When you go to the 1 hour chart, as you can see, it did touch multiple times and it seems to be holding. So you can risk and go to the downside with it, or um yeah, or you can just wait and see if it will break and go up and continue to the upside. But for me, I'd definitely say rather go for a downtrend when it comes to this one. Okay, now we're gonna move to the next pair. The next pair is going to be AUD USD. For AUD USD, as you guys know, my blue trend lines are my weekly trend lines. So it has been bouncing off of my weekly trend line. Let me just show you guys the bigger picture first. So it's been going down for quite some time and bouncing off this yellow trend line right here, which is my monthly, and going to the downside, right? This movement that it made here is a pretty huge movement. It tried to go back to the upside, but now it had a one touch point on the blue trend line, one touch point, a second touch point, a third touch point, a fourth, and broke out, which is a fake breakout because it did break out on that level here, broke out, but now it got back into that trend line. So I'd say this is a fake breakout. Um, so a fake breakout is very profitable as well, you guys, as long as you know where to place your entry. And like this, the entry should have been here, exactly right here when it retested this trend line. Would have been a perfect entry, much more profitable entry. But since that has missed us, we are going to be waiting for a breakout of this resistance right here. Once it breaks out and retests this resistance right here, we can go down, or we can wait for it to actually touch this trend line, this bottom trend line here, and break out, retest, and continue to the downside. So yeah, we have two options there. The safest though is definitely for you to wait for it to break out on this trend line, retest, give you a reversal candlestick, and then continue to go to the downside. And yeah, that would be a good opportunity. So this is definitely something you can take a look at tomorrow, on a Monday and a Tuesday, to see what price does when it comes to this. Definitely not an immediate trade that you can take on this one. You're gonna have to see where price takes you on this one. But on Euro AUD, I definitely say risk it. And go in. As soon as the market opens on Monday, which is in a couple of hours from now. USDJPY. Did I say I was going to analyze this? I didn't say I was going to analyze. This one is whew, okay. The candlestick is too big. The market has already moved. We don't trade these candlesticks, guys. Which entry are you going to put here? Rather, you put an entry here, but we don't have a reason to put an entry here because we're waiting for one, two, a third touch point. This could have been a better touch point if we had waited on the 1 hour and placed our entry here, or with these ones, it has actually three touch points, so you can actually enter here. It is a big candlestick, but it's better. So this one was a more realistic one, and then continue to go to the upside. Okay, so we are going to go to the next one for the week. Euro USD. Euro USD, you guys, has touched my daily trend line. In my daily trend line at this point has 1, 2, 3 touch points. Here it has 4, 5 touch points and a fake breakout as well, which is so beautiful. It did not intersect too much, came back in, could have put in an entry right here. Could have been a beautiful execution right there where we did not see the market then. But it went to the downside, and it has even went to a point that it has broken this level right here. More like a double bottom has been broken into, and a reversal candlestick is forming right now. Let's just go to the 1 hour. When it comes to the 1 hour, it retested this area here, created a reversal candlestick, and continuing to go to the downside. So it definitely, I'd say, risk on Euro USD. Euro USD is definitely going to the downside for a few days. It's gonna go to the downside for quite some time. Um, We'll see how far it goes, you guys. But definitely, I'd say go for Euro USD and definitely go for AUD. Is it AUD? No, no, no. It is Euro AUD as well. So Euro AUD and Euro USD is definitely something I'd say you can trade. But the most that I'd say I'd be confident about is definitely take Euro USD and yeah, try to make some money for groceries, guys. Grocery money, okay? Yeah, we're pushing grocery money, airtime money, data money. Soon enough, we'll be pushing rent money. We're not there yet. Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on another one. If you guys have any specific video that you guys would like to watch, you guys would like to know about, please tell me in the comments below, and I'll try to make those videos for you guys. I know I haven't been consistent lately, but I do promise to try. I do promise to try. Work commitments, children, wife duties, guys, it's a lot. It's a lot. But I promise to actually try to put in some time for you guys and create more content. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys on another one. Bye.